Check out this, guys. 33 Plymouth, the Gangster.
Yeah, big block.
Big block. Really nice. Look at that. You can see how wide the tires are on it. It's nice all the way. Al Capone's used cars. The offer you can't refuse.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
And that suicide door. In the handle. That's cool.
You won't mind if I fight back, will you?
Well, you think you can manage it?
It's more from your pride, really, to be honest. I warn you, I'm not going to fight fair, though. That's why I brought these.
Really nice. Like a friend of mine, he brought it by. Just we can do a little video on it. Check it out. It's nice. Here's all the way around. 32 Plymouth, big block. Start her up. Got side exhaust. She sounds good. As it gets up and goes. Yeah, she sounds good. I like the artwork on it. Look how wide those tires are, guys. I love it. Hell yeah. That's awesome. '32 Plymouth.